Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today another episode of the do-it-yourself crawler track build. While I was testing the track, I had some difficulties to get up some obstacles and on some rocks because of the dirt. Because the dirt is hanging up onto the tires and it makes the tires very slippery. So there's a lake nearby which has a lot of sand. So I'm going to collect some sand which we can use to lay out some tracks, so the tires will have more grip on the obstacles and on the rocks. So let's go to the lake and collect some sand. So guys, we are at the lake, but there is a problem. It has been raining for a couple of days now, well, maybe weeks, I'm not sure anymore. But yeah, the problem is the water level has risen quite a bit, so all the beaches are gone. So we can't collect any sand over here. So I've got a plan B, and yeah, let me show you that in a bit. So good morning guys, this is a new day. I didn't have time anymore yesterday to work on the track. So today we are going to proceed with it. It's a very cold morning, it's very foggy outside. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a lot of moisture in the air. But yeah, it doesn't matter, let's go on creating the track. I've collected 3 big buckets with stones. And I'm planning to use some natural barriers to prevent the stones from going everywhere. So I'm going to use the broom and a shovel just to create a small track, like a trench or something, where we can put the stones in. And yeah, let's hope in the future that they will stay on the same place and not laying around all over the track. So let me put the camera down and proceed with it. So let's clean this area and put all the stuff that we are taking away from the track itself. Let's put it to the side. So we are making like a trench so the stones won't go everywhere on the track. This is the start. I'm going to work for a while now and come back to you with the result. So the first part is done. Let me show you what I've done so far. So you see, you have to go up to come on this trench, and then you should enter here on the path. I just have used a small stick to prevent the stones from falling off. And then you have to continue all the way to the path, over this boulder, and then down here. So the next step is just to clean this area up and make some natural barriers again and put some more stones over there. So let's continue with the work. So I just realized that underneath the earth here it's already stone. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean this area up so I don't have to put the small stones in there, so the tires won't get very dirty anymore. So I'm going to continue with the work, and I see you next time.